What's the real deal about meditation? Can it really relieve anxiety, reduce stress, decrease blood pressure, help you sleep better, all for free? Seems too good to be true. Now, I'm not a meditation expert. I'm just a little girl on this planet seeking balance. And I discovered meditation about 10 years ago by surprise when I went to a Tony Robbins convention and he took us through many guided meditations. I was blown away by how it made me feel. Not just my spirit, but my body as well. So today I want to clear up some meditation misunderstandings and give you a simple way to add meditation to your life so you can finally start experiencing its healing power. If you like information about self-care and living your best life, please like this video, share it with someone else who you think might like it, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps so much. If you comment, I subscribed, I'll be sure to reply. For some reason, meditation seems to be one of those things that some people just don't want to try. Even though it's free and it has so many benefits, there's resistance. Common excuses are, I can't sit still long enough. I can't clear my mind. That's not going to work for me. Or it's against my religion. I'll tell you something that seems silly, but before meditation became a practice for me, I was scared of it. I was really scared. I was raised in a strict religious home, and opening my mind and allowing it to wander conjured up teachings of evil spirits taking over my body. I'm not joking. The childhood conditioning was really in there, and I was scared. So you may have some reservations about meditation, but it's actually a secular practice, and it can be adapted to your personal beliefs. And it can be part of your spiritual practice or used just purely for practical benefits. Many forms of meditation have nothing to do with religion. Meditation is simply training the mind to be quiet. In meditation, you focus, redirect thoughts, and achieve a state of mental clarity and, most importantly, calm. Meditation teaches you to be present and allows you to let go of worries. For me, it reduces anxiety symptoms and depression. It also helps me let go of overthinking. It's like standing in the eye of the storm instead of standing in the middle of the storm. And then being able to respond to life calmly rather than reacting to situations in your life. It just turns off all the noise. If you do any amount of research on how to meditate, you may get frustrated and confused because there are many techniques and opinions as to the optimal way to meditate or the style of meditation. I think the important thing with meditation is to just start because you'll find your rhythm. My goal is to give you a simple meditation you can do in 5 minutes to calm your mind and your body. And the wonderful thing about meditation is the longer you do it, actually the easier it becomes and the better you feel. So if you can increase the length of your meditation, do. You'll probably find it's just going to happen naturally. With more and more practice, meditation becomes increasingly effortless, allowing you to sink just deeper into its benefits. For me, in its simplest version, there are basically two forms of meditation: a guided meditation and then what I've just personally dubbed as a free-flowing meditation. I like them both, and I choose which one I want to do depending on how I'm feeling at the time. So for me, the best time to meditate is first thing in the morning. But again, there's no right or wrong time to meditate. Actually, the right time for you is when you will actually do it. So don't get hung up on finding the optimal time. A guided meditation, it's simply using your imagination to go on a peaceful journey. So another person will guide you by speaking to you about how to breathe and what to imagine. There are hundreds of guided meditations you can choose from on YouTube, totally free. Simply type in the search bar, guided meditation. Don't get stuck on which one to choose. Just select one that is the length of time that you want. So I've linked a couple of my favorites in the description for you. But try to sit in a quiet space, put on your headphones or your earbuds, relax and listen. If you would prefer not to have someone talking while you meditate, you can do the free-flowing meditation. And with this type of meditation, you'll probably notice the first few times that your mind is going to tend to wander and random thoughts are going to pop into your head. There is this misconception that meditation requires complete stillness or an empty mind. It's not true. We are human after all. So meditation, it's not about suppressing thoughts or achieving some sort of perfection. As thoughts come up, and they do, observe them and allow them to happen. Just don't engage with them. Don't go down that rabbit hole. Sometimes I keep a piece of paper and a pen near me in case, as I'm meditating and thoughts come up, I just feel like I absolutely have to write it down so I can get it out of my head and move on. The more you meditate this way, with this free-flowing meditation and quieting your mind, the less and less thoughts are going to intrude. And eventually, you will love taking the time to sit with a quiet, peaceful mind and body. To try a free-flowing meditation, go to YouTube, type in the search bar, meditation music. Again, there will be many choices, and I've linked a couple in the description for you. Choose one and begin listening to the music with your headphones as you just breathe deeply with your eyes closed. Meditation is a personal practice, and the experience can vary from person to person. There's no right or wrong way to meditate. It has made such a difference in my life, and it's part of my daily habit, like my morning cup of coffee. I love sharing meditation with people, and I hope this simple 5-minute per day method brings you clarity and calm. Please let me know in the comments if meditation is something that you're going to try. Namaste.